2016 team was the only undefeated team in the nation out of 328 Division I tennis teams. One of the most special teams I think there's ever been, but certainly that I've coached. I can honestly say I woke up every morning excited to see this team. This team was really a family, and they did that with action, and they really walked the walk. They were such a special group of high character people. Every player poured their whole heart into being a family, and every player poured their whole heart into playing hard for each other. And this was such a special team. And the reason they won is they fought for each other. Favorite memory with this team is 100% when they clinched the NCAA tournament bid by winning the Southland Conference against an incredibly tough Northwestern State team. And they had to dig and fight so hard. And they won that match from the inside out. They won that match with heart and fighting for each other. And that match was a microcosm of what they stood for their whole career, which was fight for each other, don't make excuses. When you're down, get back up and fight. When you're down again, get back up and fight. Fight for each other, but that we need each other. It was the encouragement. That match, the way those girls encouraged each other was like standing behind a jet. I mean, there was so much energy and heart. That was a special, special memory. It is an honor beyond words to be inducted into the Texas A&M-Corpus Christi Hall of Honor. This is the most special school with the most special group of leaders. And to be loyal to this community, to have success, to stand for something special, and to stay and invest your life into this community is the most special thing in the world. And we get that example, lead by example, from our president. And that's what these kids have done. They're still here coaching and pouring their heart into this community. So thank you for recognizing and respecting that loyalty and that excellence. Thank you, God bless you, and go Islanders.
This team was like a family to me. We pushed each other, supported one another, and built lifelong friendships. Many of us are still close today, and we're fortunate to have our Islander family all around the world. I would first and foremost like to thank my teammates. This honor belongs to all of us. The bond we built, the hard work we put in, and the incredible moments we shared are what made this season so special. I'm also deeply grateful to Coach Steve, Coach Olga, Coach Aurelian, and Coach Gergo for their leadership and guidance. They pushed us to be better athletes and better people, and their influence stayed with us. I also want to thank the Islander athletics, trainers, and everyone who supported Islander family along the way.
I am so grateful for this honor. 2016 was such an amazing year for our team. We always played for each other and we fought for each other, and I believe that's why we had such an incredible season. I look back at those years with so much nostalgia. Playing for the team while also earning my degree was one of the best experiences of my life. The team still means a lot to me. Even though years have gone by and we all live in different countries, we try to keep in touch and to see each other whenever we can. Coach Steve always reminded us that the most important thing was fighting for each other, since we were like a family. And I have to say that Steve's leadership has shaped us not only as tennis players, but as people.
Coach Moore, so he played a very important role, a huge role in my life. He not only changed my game, but he also changed my mindset. He is somebody who would push you to be the best version of yourself, not only on the court, but also off the court. He believed in me more than I believe in myself. It's an incredible feeling for the 2016 team to be recognized. It was a special season. We put in so much hard work, so much dedication, so much passion. And for that effort to be honored, it means a lot, not just for me, not just for us, but for everyone who was a part of the journey.
Being part of the Islanders tennis team is one of the best decisions that I've ever made. The connection between players and coaches was just so special, and it still is. We were always there for each other on and off the court, and I know I will always be thankful for that. I definitely won't forget all the fun memories that we all made together, especially those in the year of 2016, which it was my senior year. We won the conference championship. I want to thank the university and Steve especially for being such an amazing coach. He has had a great impact in my life, not just as a tennis player, but in many other aspects. Nowadays, as a tennis coach, I still call him, I text him for advice, and I know him and his family will always be there. So thank you so much for everything.
Islander community, thanks so much for this honor. It is a huge honor to be part of the Islander Hall of Fame. I will never forget those 4 years. They were one of the best of my life. I can't thank enough everything that you gave us. Thank you so much for everything. Go Islanders!